Using the Kiosk Mode with handheld Android devices. Your student devices will arrive already logged into the Kiosk Mode. This means that students cannot access apps which they should not be accessing. To get out of Kiosk Mode, long tap the Meraki symbol. You'll see a countdown appear on the screen. When it gets to 0, a box will pop up for you to enter the code. You will have been given this code in the documentation. Once this has been entered, you can then navigate and use the phone as per normal. To relaunch Kiosk Mode, go back into Meraki, select Configuration, and then under Policies, Android Kiosk Mode, and then click on Launch Kiosk Mode. Note that if you don't do this, the phone will relaunch the Kiosk Mode after a certain time. If you see any question marks in the Kiosk Mode, this indicates that an app has not been installed.